Here you see the GSS 230 ABE and GSS 280 ABE professional orbital sanders from Bosch. They guarantee first-class surface quality and the lowest vibration when sanding. In fact, thanks to its decoupled motor housing, this orbital sander achieves the lowest vibration in its class. The contact pressure is evenly distributed during sanding. This results in high surface quality. The new paper tensioning system ensures that the sanding paper always sits perfectly, even if the paper doesn't have a Velcro type backing. Experience for yourself the GSS 230 ABE and the GSS 280 ABE Professional from Bosch, the orbital sanders for first-class surface quality and the lowest vibration. Also available in the practical, unique L-Box.